Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage code reviews with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can streamline your code review process, making it more efficient and thorough. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project where you want to manage code reviews using Codeium. Codeium integrates with your version control system, so make sure your repository is properly set up and synced. Start by creating a new pull request or code reviews request in your version control system. Codeium will automatically analyze the changes and provide initial feedback. As you review the code, Codeium will highlight potential issues, suggest improvements, and provide contextual information to help you make informed decisions. Codeium's AI can detect common coding errors, performance issues, and adherence to coding standards, making your code review process more thorough and efficient. Use Codeium sessions to add comments and recommendations directly into the code review. This helps the author understand the changes needed and why they are important. Collaborate with your team by discussing Codeium sessions and addressing any questions or concerns raised during the code review process. Codeium can also help automate some parts of the review process, such as checking for syntax errors, running tests, and ensuring compliance with coding guidelines. After the review, make sure to follow up on the changes. Codeium will assist in re-evaluating the updated code to ensure all issues have been addressed. Regularly review and update your code review practices to incorporate new insights and improvements suggested by Codeium's AI. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to manage code reviews with Codeium. This tool can enhance your code review process, making it more efficient and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.